Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Explore with the Lucky Mariner। आज मैं लेके आया हूँ आपके लिए अपने मनाली ट्रिप का एडवेंचर स्पोर्ट्स का रिव्यू which I did few years back in month of November। In month of November snow point is near Rotang Pass। जैसे ही स्नोफॉल होती रहती है तो in winter it comes close to Manali town and in January it's in itself in Manali town। फिर जैसे ही गर्मी पड़ती है तो it starts moving up again towards Rotang Pass। I was very excited for skiing but मुझसे हो ही नहीं। I don't know what was the problem कि स्लोप कम थी जहाँ मुझसे हो नहीं रहा था। So as per my experience I don't enjoy this skiing in this area। You can see I am facing difficulty to do it properly even with the help of one guy। So I will not recommend this to you blindly, so you can see if you like to do it। And I will not recommend this। And don't forget to wear sunglasses because when sun is strong it's difficult to open eyes in snow। Next good thing is quad biking। They also call this ATV, all-terrain vehicle। I like this four-wheel drive scooter। So this guy charged around 1,500 rupees। He took us from parking lot to this frozen lake which was 2 kilometers away, and I drove this scooter here। Then we played in snow for 1 hour। Then this guy again pick up us and drop back in parking। But you can always bargain। He was asking so much, then we bargained to 1,500, but you can always bargain more। But these guys are charging more because this scooter is quite expensive, I think 2 to 3 lakh rupees। And fuel consumption is also high, having high power engine, but it's okay, it's giving some thrill and it's enjoyable to drive। I will recommend। This is a signboard for Rotang Pass, and I will recommend you to carry your favorite drinks with you or some eatables because you will not get many options at sightseeing spots। And don't buy this thing, this nakli fake Kesar and Shilajit from these guys selling here। You can see here one guy always coming to me to talk to me to sell this fake Shilajit and Kesar। And second thing is the trash। I always keep my trash with me in the car, then I drop in hotel's bin। Next big thing is paragliding। It is done in Solong Valley here and 2-3 other spots in Manali। The precaution is that you don't do in strong winds and make sure that the pilot is experienced and they have license from local authority। Rest all is very enjoyable। The best place in Himachal is Bead Billing near Palampur। Manali is also good। There is also a cable car at Solong Valley, but I found it expensive than other hill stations, but you can try if you have never experienced before। The best thing I like here was river rafting। They charge up from 800 to 1,200 for 3 to 5 kilometers of rafting in Beas River। These days it is done before Kullu also and after Kullu also, and we are doing between Kullu and Manali। This rafting is closed by administration during heavy rains, monsoon, because during that time river becomes violent and water is muddy, which becomes dangerous for rescue in case of emergency। So it's good to do if water is clear and flow is normal, then it's safe to do. For me, I found rafting the most adventurous and most enjoyable sport here. I did once in November and once in month of May also. Your clothes are going to get wet when raft is passing through the stones and sudden slopes. A lot of water is splashing inside, so be prepared for that. This is the hotel where we stayed that time. The name is Hotel Mayfair. It is on Hidimba Devi Road, about 250 meters from Mall Road, Manali. The property was very good, cozy rooms and a lot of woodwork. Very nice restaurant, and kitchen was very clean and hygienic. A lot of garden area, and this hotel building was also shown in Incredible Himachal advertisement video. Charges were 3,000 per room, and it was off season. During season they charge around 5,000. There are a lot of other adventure sports in Manali, like hiking, zorving, river crossing, camping, zip lining, rock climbing. I have tried zip line, hiking, camping at some other locations. There are also a lot of tracks around Manali for 3 to 4 days, like Hamta Pass, Byas Kund and some other. You can do it through local trekking companies. Subscribe my YouTube channel to watch more detailed videos on Himachal, Leh Ladakh, Uttarakhand, some other Indian and foreign destinations. Also about life on a cargo ship. Thanks for watching and supporting.